TV! Nana, what is the story for today?
I have a good story for tonight. Go and call your friends. We will meet under the big tree.
Hello, children. Anansesem Sisio.
Yes, Sisio.
Once upon a time, I will tell you why we call these stories. They are Ananse's.
If anyone can own all the stories in the world, it will be me.
Nyame, I want to buy your stories.
All the stories in the world.
Many people asked before you, small spider. No one paid the price.
Bring me Onini the python. Bring me Mmoboro the hornets. Bring me Osebo the leopard. Bring them to me alive. Then the stories are yours. Done.
I will bring you all three, great Nyame. Just wait and see.
My friends say Onini is longer than this branch. I do not believe it.
I am longer. Watch I will show you.
Stay still so I can measure you well. There. Now I have you, Onini.
Was Onini really that long?
He believed his own big talk. That was his mistake.
Mmoboro, it is starting to rain. Come inside this dry pot before you get wet. Thank you, my friends. Now you will help me get my stories.
Help me, Ananse! Do not worry, Osebo. Just climb. There.
Osebo, just climb there. Now you are mine too.
He caught all three.
All three. Now listen. The hard part was still coming.
Me alive. Then
Nyame. I brought them, Onini and Osebo. All three, alive.
Incredible.
You did it, small spider! No one has done this before you.
Go, Ananse, and weave your web of stories.
Thank you, Nyame. Now everyone will hear my stories.
This is my story, which I have related.
So tell me, what did you learn tonight?
Never trust a leaf umbrella. I learned that stories have many meanings.
Those are good lessons.
So, who can tell me?
The small one.
You do not have to be big to win. You have to be smart. That is the whole story in a few small words.